shoot for a family, you know, the Christmas photo shoot thing where everybody, you know, usually want to do. Our posing person is right here, boys, y'all know boys. So yeah, it's a beautiful setup here in the studio. We're here in Kingston, and yeah, a lot of different settings. My favorite is this one. But yeah, it's going good so far. She's a little one right here in her PJ. So yeah, just wait on mommy and daddy to come out right now in their PJs. Oh, there's mommy, there's Danielle. Hey Danielle. Hey. Enjoy the photo shoot.
Yes, I'm tired of sweat.
But the good thing that we got a lot of candid shots and just letting them sell off and everything. Birthday for you. Yeah. Welcome to the studio. Any of photography, look her. Yeah. Alright, so let's just get back to work.
Yeah, that's what I said. Catch her. Yes, those are nice.
Get her off guard.
If I don't have my eyeliner, my eye kind of look.
You look alright. And they know mediocre family know you. So yeah, you look fine without eyeliner. I said she can go on this, you guys. Anyway, but just
If she needs to take over, please. I was like, listen, I was up in the camera doing like this.
it is a vlog, Sherry, and you have to be your authentic self. Anyway, guys, we finished a photo shoot and we're so hungry. And Sharon said she carrying us out to eat, and guess what? When she come in at the car, she said, "Oh shoot, I left my purse." You believe her, guys? That she really want to carry us out to eat? Were you really gonna carry us out to eat?
Yes, I have a bank, so
Wait, so you have a bank?
Yes, I do.
You have a bank? Look at you, girl, balling.
no bank.
She have a bank. She don't have a bank card. She have a bank. Yeah, man, people. So the shoot was successful. I enjoyed myself even though I was working. How did you like it, Moise?
Yeah, I enjoyed it, you know. The clients were fun. Danielle Cardell and Riley.
Yeah, man, but boy.
Boy, Riley.
Riley.
Give us lots of work.
But the candid shot at Riley. They were bombs.
Yeah, it was fun.
Sherrian, first day at work. How does it feel?
It was great actually, and the clients, as they said, were really fun. They were very photogenic. The pictures came out so cute. And
Yeah. So over and out, guys. Gonna get some food right now. Where should we go? Fromage, TGIF, not KFC or Burger King. Come on.
Are you foot the bill? So no, that she defaulted. Right?
Oh shoot! And a serious note, I left my purse too. Oh no, I meant it.
pick up all food.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna get something to eat. I might end the vlog right here, so, or I might show you what we get to eat. Alright, remember, guys, this is a season to be jolly, but at the same time, remember, stay safe out there. A lot of people out there driving crazy on the road. Alright, spend time with your family and don't overspend. Remember, so 1 month named January, which is longer than all the rest of the months in the year. Alright, so yes, you spend half your money. Don't do it.
Was it not finished yours already?
Huh? Leave me alone. So alright, guys, so we ended up at a restaurant here in Sovereign. So we ordered sweet and sour chicken, one big jar of rice.
Yeah, my tongue is burning me from that spicy sauce, but I love it.
Yeah, and what is this again?
Mala pork for you.
Mala pork for Sherry and I. Yeah. Yeah, because it's starving, as you know. Yeah, I'm gonna eat right now. So you know, from another video. Hey guys, so we decided to use our Sunday evening and come to the Circus, which is in here in Kingston. So just got in and yeah, just entered. Just show them our tickets and now we're in. So this is the family. Carrie and Moise, Mom and Bro and cousin. You know, say hi. traffic leading to the toll. My goodness. Finally. The toll. After the toll.
And she was at the grill.
Hey Sharon, she want party.
This is all done by me. Thank you.
Nothing
Let me
like
see,
that.
let me see.
Nothing like that.
They turn on the light.
Wow.
Wow. My work.
Job.
Please.
You did a wonderful
You're
job.
only fooling yourself.
I'm not fooling myself.
Alright,
You know, you're not so good though. After me done this was something good, you tell me.
I stop. It should make people believe it. Oh my god.
Come there, yeah.